guys, I'm going to share with you my quick and easy dry seasoning rub to make some delicious oven-baked chicken wings. If you like the taste of jerk chicken but cannot handle the heat, then this is perfect for you. And for those of you who like the heat, just add some hot chili powder. This recipe is definitely a crowd pleaser. So here I have dried mixed herbs, salt, black pepper, powdered sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'll be using all of these to season the chicken. Add all of your dry ingredients into a bowl, then gradually add to the chicken wings. This is the season 24 whole wings. Place the wings on a lightly oiled baking tray and try not to overcrowd the tray. Place the chicken wings in a preheated oven at 250 degrees under the grill for 20 to 24 minutes, turning halfway through. Hear that sizzling sound, and oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Guys, you definitely have to try this recipe. Hey guys! Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed, please do give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. See you in my next video. Bye!